Alright, so I'm going to talk to you today about uh, Subway circumference size, and some of the different research that I conducted on Subway sandwiches to see uh, my title is the circumference size decided by the amount of olives. So the objective of the study was to see if you could take a Subway sandwich, measure the circumference, and get the proper amount of olives by that one step. So this study was to see if we could take the sandwich, the circumference size, and see can we determine the amount of olives that we have on this sandwich. So during the process, I was recording to see at some point could we get an accurate number. That was another thing, an accurate number. Uh, so, or was it just a random amount? Are they just picking up olives, randomly putting them on there, or do they actually have a method of olives? So, materials and methods that we used for this. Each student brought a 15 of it. Each student, there were 16, brought a Subway sandwich. We cut it in half, and then we counted the olives amount of there. We measured the circumference, and then we counted olive number count, whole olives. And that count was per sandwich in the study. So, I know it's kind of hard to see from here in this video, but Crazy About Olives is my chart title. And you can see the it goes up. So for 20, you're at 35 olives. You start to go up, and then you come down as the circumference size gets larger. So as the circumference size increases, the amount of olives decrease. So we can see that the smaller the circumference, the more olives. The bigger the circumference, the less olives that we have on there. That was the correlation that I found throughout this research. To be the exact number, the circumference of a 21 centimeter had 43 olives on it, compared to a 24.5 centimeter in circumference size had 18 olives on it. So, what is the relevance of this study? So now when you go to Subway, you can know approximately how many olives you should have on your sandwich due to circumference size. The thing you can do different is order your olives prior to all of this. Is it olives when we order our sandwiches? You go from, depending on the store, but you start out with your lettuces and all of that. Your olives are the last thing they put on the sandwich. So could that factor into it? Could different places that we got these factor into it? So, this is a practice that if you eat Subway every day, or you love Subway, you know approximately how many olives you should have on your sandwich.